Dreaming of Paris? Excited? Nervous? Or maybe feeling completely lost already?
Don't worry, you don't need to speak perfect French to enjoy Paris. Today, we're teaching you 40 English sentences you must know before traveling. Phrases that will save your trip, help you navigate the city, and maybe even impress a local or two.
And trust me, a little charm goes a long way in the city of love.
You mean me, right?
By the end of this video, you'll not just survive Paris, you'll speak English like a confident traveler who owns every street, cafe, and metro station. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Amy, your travel English guide.
And I'm Jay. Together, we turn every tourist into a confident English speaker, even if your French is, well, basically non-existent.
Quick story. Last time I was in Paris, I got lost in a tiny bakery alley. My French? Zero. But guess what? With just the right English phrases, I not only found my way back, but also discovered the best croissant of my life.
And she ate all the croissants while asking for directions.
Fine, okay. But that's why we're here, to make sure you don't panic and can enjoy Paris like a pro.
Paris is magical, romantic, and full of adventures, but it can be confusing if you can't communicate. That's why we've compiled 40 essential English sentences for every situation: airport, hotel, cafe, restaurants, shopping, sightseeing, emergencies, and even small talk with locals.
And yes, we'll sprinkle in humor, little secrets, and even a touch of flirty charm to make your trip unforgettable.
Think of this video as your ultimate English survival guide for Paris. No textbooks, no stress, just real, practical English that works.
Before we dive in, quick question for you. Have you ever felt completely lost in a foreign city? Comment below. We read every story.
And bonus points if it involves food, metro confusion, or croissants. Because Paris without croissants, unthinkable.
True. And speaking of food, we'll start with airport and transportation phrases, because you can't eat croissants if you can't find your way from the airport. Airport, transportation, and hotel phrases.
Airport phrases.
All right, first stop, the airport. Your first test as a Paris tourist.
And yes, your first chance to charm the locals or get lost entirely.
Let's take a look at what you need to say.
Mini dialogue. Airport check-in.
Hi, I have a reservation under Amy Smith.
Welcome. May I see your passport, please?
Of course, here it is. Thank you.
Notice the sequence. Greet, state reservation, show ID, then thank. Simple, polite, effective. Master this, and you've already won half the airport battle.
Pro tip, smile. A smile goes a long way, even if your French is zero.
Mini dialogue, asking for directions at the airport.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the baggage claim is?
Sure, just straight ahead. Follow the signs.
Use polite phrases like excuse me and could you. It's formal enough to be polite, casual enough to be friendly.
And if you're feeling fancy, add thank you so much. Locals love it.
Transportation metro phrases.
Transportation, metro, buses, taxis. Your lifeline in Paris.
Here's the first sentence. Excuse me, which line goes to the Eiffel Tower?
Line 6, direction Charles de Gaulle Étoile.
Polite, short, effective. Repeat after me. Excuse me, which line goes to... It works anywhere.
And if they look confused, just smile more. Seriously, it works better than Google Maps sometimes.
Mini dialogue. Buying metro tickets. One ticket to Louvre, please.
There you go.
Merci.
See? Short, polite, and you've already leveled up your Parisian experience.
Hotel phrases. Now, the hotel, your home base. First impression matters.
Mini dialogue. Checking in.
Hello, I have a reservation under Amy Smith.
Welcome. May I see your passport?
Of course. Thank you very much.
Teaching tone, playful wink at camera. Greet, state reservation, Hand over ID, then say thank you. Always polite, always effective.
Excuse me, could you tell me what time breakfast is served?
7 to 10 in the restaurant.
And yes, asking simple questions like this shows you're polite, confident, and ready for croissants.
Mini dialogue, room not ready.
Oh, my room isn't ready yet. Could I leave my bags here?
Of course. Feel free to explore while we prepare it.
And that's how you turn a small problem into a chance to start your Paris adventure immediately. Bonus points. Always thank them with a smile. And maybe grab a croissant nearby while you wait. Just saying. Here's a question for you. What's the first sentence you would say at a hotel in Paris? Comment below. We might feature your answers in our next video.
Now the part every tourist loves, cafes and restaurants. Let's make sure ordering food in Paris is easy, polite, and even a little fun.
And yes, a little flirty charm never hurts when asking for recommendations.
Hi, can I get a café au lait, please?
Sure, for here or to go.
For here, thanks.
Key phrases. Can I get, and for here or to go. Simple, polite, perfect for any cafe.
And don't forget to say merci. A little gratitude goes a long way.
What do you recommend for breakfast?
Our croissant with chocolate is very popular.
See? You've just ordered like a local while also engaging politely and maybe learning a secret menu item. And if the barista laughs at your accent, just smile and repeat. Confidence wins over perfection every time.
Exactly. And if you're feeling cheeky, compliment the coffee. Your coffee is amazing. Works like magic.
Shopping and supermarket phrases.
Shopping in Paris can be intimidating, but English phrases can make it smooth and fun.
Many dialogue. Asking price and sizes. How much is this?
€3, please.
Thank you. And if you need another size, just say, do you have this in a bigger, smaller size? Simple, polite, effective.
And sometimes Parisian croissants are massive. Bigger is better.
Mini dialogue. Trying on clothes or asking for help. Excuse me, could I try this on?
Of course, the fitting room is over there.
See, polite questions plus a small smile equals instant help. And yes, it's okay to be playful and lighthearted, just like this.
Tourist sites and museum phrases.
When it comes to visiting museums and landmarks, knowing how to ask for tickets and permission to take pictures is crucial.
Excuse me, how do I get to the Louvre?
Straight down this street, then take the first left.
Excuse me, how do I get to? Works anywhere. Museums, streets, cafes, you name it.
One adult ticket, please.
That'll be €15.
Thank you very much. Short, polite, confident. And if you want to be extra charming, add a smile and a friendly merci beaucoup.
Excuse me, is photography allowed inside?
Yes, but no flash, please.
Always ask first. It's polite and shows respect. Bonus points. If they say yes, smile like you just unlocked a secret treasure. Could you take a picture of us, please?
Sure.
And there it is. Polite plus confident plus smile equals great photos and a great experience.
Pro tip, always thank them and maybe compliment their camera skills. You'll leave a good impression.
Quick story. One of our viewers used these phrases in Paris. She asked for directions, got a ticket, and even made friends while waiting in line. That's the power of simple, confident English.
Here's a question for you. Which phrase would you use first in a Paris cafe or museum? Comment below. We love reading your answers.
Even in the most beautiful city, emergencies can happen. Don't panic, just know what to say.
And yes, confidence beats fear every single time.
Excuse me, I need help.
Sure, what happened?
Short, clear, polite, I need help is universal, simple, and effective.
I lost my wallet. Could you help me?
Of course, please follow me to the station.
Phrase structure. State the problem, ask for help, stay polite. Add a smile if you can. People respond better when you're calm and polite.
Where is the nearest hospital?
2 blocks down, then turn left. You can't miss it.
All right, let's talk small talk and social phrases. These are your secret weapon to connect with locals.
Mini dialogue. Meeting people.
Hi, I'm Amy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Simple, confident, polite. Smile while introducing yourself. That's it. Instant connection. Mini dialogue. Compliment and engage.
I love your city. Do you know any hidden spots tourists never see?
Yes, there's a small cafe behind the museum. Not many people know about it.
And that's how a compliment plus question can unlock a mini Paris adventure. It's friendly, charming, and perfectly safe.
Do you live in Paris?
Yes, I do.
See? Casual questions, polite curiosity. That's your flirty, YouTube-safe energy working in real life.
Quick question for all of you watching. Which of these 40 sentences do you think you'll use first in Paris? Comment below. We love reading your answers.
And bonus points for funny, creative, or even slightly dramatic answers. We might feature your comment in our next video.
Remember, speaking English with confidence is about practice, not perfection. So let's recap. Airport, metro, hotel, cafe, shopping, museums, emergencies, and small talk. All 40 sentences are now yours to master.
Polite greetings, asking questions, ordering food, complimenting locals, handling emergencies, simple, practical, and effective.
Confidence plus politeness plus a smile equals Paris adventure unlocked. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more travel English lessons, and hit the bell so you never miss our cinematic guides.
Don't forget the cheat sheet in the description. 40 phrases ready for your Paris trip. Trust me, you'll need it.
And maybe save a copy for croissant breaks, G. Learning English isn't just about words. It's about confidence, connection, and creating memories wherever you go.
Every sentence you speak opens a door to locals, experiences, and unforgettable moments.
Paris is waiting, and now, so are you. Speak confidently, explore fearlessly, enjoy every moment.